Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss my video. So today I will be showing you how to install your eyelashes. Very easy how to install your eyelashes for beginners, so that you don't have to use eyelashes glue to mess your face. So the eyelashes glue I will say you should buy if you are a beginner. This eyelashes glue is very nice and it's very easy to apply into your eyelashes if you want to apply it to direct to your eyelashes before installing it. So it comes like this, the eyelashes glue. You can just open it, then it's very easy. This one, and you need tweezer or clip, whatever you call it, to install it. And eyeliner, we need eyeliner to make it look natural, not to be like pronounced where it just passed. And mascara, we need mascara to give our natural eyelashes weight. And eyelashes, any of your choice of eyelashes. If it's a supermarket, pharmacy, any of your choice of eyelashes, I'm going to be showing you how to apply it today. So I will use mascara to stand my natural eyelashes. You hold it like this. You can see the end of here. You chop it out like so that it will not be inching you. You cut it out for the both side. So normally you're supposed to apply your eyelashes glue in your eyelashes, but today I will be showing you I'm not going to be applying it on my eyelashes. So first, then I will just take the eyelashes glue. I will apply it to the place I'm going to be putting the eyelashes. So here. So with this one, it look like you draw your eyeliner. You don't have to be putting enough of eyeliner on top. So you just grab your eyelashes like this, then just put it on top. Yeah. See guys, so very easy like this. Take eyelashes, then so with this is very easy. Then the last one, why we need the eyeliner. So the leftover where we don't apply glue, then we use eyeliner to fix it. All right. So that is how you will install your eyelashes. If you don't have this, you have this one. You don't have to be like stressing yourself looking for this one. What you need is like you press this one in a back of things, then use the back of something like pencil and use it to draw it, because it's going to be difficult for you to wash. Then you use the back to line the eyeliner. So when it dry, you use your hand to press it. With this, it will not cover your black eyeball. You will not be seeing that. You know, sometimes when you apply your eyelashes, you don't apply it nice. It's like it's cover your black eyeball. press it neat like this, making it go up. It will not cover your eyeball, and you will not feel that you fix eyelashes. It's just like your normal natural eyelashes. It's when you don't fix it nice, that is when it cover your eyeball. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.